How to clean up iPhone videos permanently. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Once inside, go to the bottom and tap on the Collections tab. Then navigate to the Media Types section. On the next screen, tap on Videos to view all video files on your device. Now, tap on Select in the top right corner, followed by Select All in the top left. Tap on the trash can icon in the bottom right and then tap on Delete Videos to delete the selected videos. Go back, scroll down to Utilities, and tap on Recently Deleted. After authenticating, tap Select in the top right corner. Then, tap on the three dots icon beside and select Delete All. From the final, tap on Delete from this iPhone to permanently remove the items. Following these steps, you can permanently clean up videos from your iPhone.